Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to sign up for the Happn dating app on your smartphone. Happn is the most popular dating app for young people around the world. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to sign up for the app. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the Happn app if you haven't already. After you download the app, find the app on your app list and tap on the app icon to launch it. So this is the homepage of the Happn dating app. You have a very few options to sign up. You can use your Facebook account or your Google account to sign up. For this tutorial, I will use my Google account. So I'll tap on Connect with Google. Tap on Accept Conditions. You can read through and tap on Agree and Close. Now choose the Google account that you want to create your account with. Next up, you need to set up your account, so you'll need to provide your information. It is asking me to enter my first name, so I'll do so. And your date of birth. Now you can set up your app following the instructions. Here you need to add your photos. And that's it. After you fill in your information, you have successfully created your account. You are now ready to start meeting new people on Happn dating app. Happy dating! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.